This is Inside Talk, and in this video we learn how to add integers. But first, let's quickly understand what integers are. Integers are the numbers that can be positive, negative, or zero. When adding integers, there are two main cases to remember. Case 1. Both numbers have the same sign. If both numbers are positive or both are negative, just add their values and keep the sign. For example, positive 4 plus positive 3 and negative 5 plus negative 2. In the first example, both numbers are positive, so we just add them. 4 plus 3 is 7 and we keep the positive sign. In example 2, both numbers are negative, so again we add the values. 5 plus 2 is 7, and since both are negative, the answer is negative 7. Case 2. The numbers have different signs. If one number is positive and the other is negative, subtract the smaller number from the bigger number and keep the sign of the bigger number. For example, positive 6 plus negative 4 and negative 7 plus positive 3. In the first example, 6 minus 4 equals 2 and 6 is bigger and positive. The answer is positive 2. In the second example, 7 minus 3 equals 4 and since 7 is bigger and negative, the answer is negative 4. To understand this better, a number line really helps. Imagine the number line with 0 in the middle. Positive numbers are to the right and negative numbers are to the left. When you add a positive number, you move towards the right side. And when you add a negative number, you move towards the left side. For example, if you start at positive 3 and add negative 5, you move 5 steps to the left from 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, which lands us at negative 2. This movement on the number line makes it easier to see why the sign and the value change the way they do. Let's try these examples using the number line. Negative 3 plus negative 2. So we start at negative 3 and we add negative 2. So we move 2 towards the left, which is minus 5. Let's see another example. Positive 5 plus negative 7. We start at positive 5 and move 7 towards the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This lands us at negative 2. And that's how you add integers. If this helped, consider subscribing. I'll be covering more math topics just like this in simple steps. This is Inside Arc, where math finally makes sense.